Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for individuals living with diabetes. Diet plays a vital role in managing blood sugar levels, and choosing the right beverages is equally important. Sugary drinks can cause drastic spikes in blood sugar, leading to various health complications. However, with the growing demand for healthier alternatives, numerous low-sugar drinks have emerged, providing delicious and refreshing options for people with diabetes. Hi guys, welcome to BetterHealth. In this video, we will explore the 5 best low-sugar drinks for diabetics that can help you stay hydrated without compromising your health. If you get any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Number 1. Sparkling water. Staying hydrated is important for everyone, including diabetics. Drinking an adequate amount of fluids helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports overall health. Sparkling water can be a hydrating option that adds variety to your beverage choices, especially if you find plain water to be bland or boring. Sparkling water is typically sugar-free, which is essential for managing blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Regular soft drinks and sugary beverages can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which is harmful for diabetics. By choosing sugar-free sparkling water, you can enjoy a refreshing drink without worrying about its impact on blood sugar. Number 2. Coconut water. Living with diabetes requires careful attention to one's diet and beverage choices. While many sugary drinks are off limits for diabetics, there is a natural and refreshing alternative that deserves attention: coconut water. One of the primary concerns for diabetics is the impact of sugar on blood glucose levels. Unlike many fruit juices or sports drinks, coconut water contains significantly less sugar. In fact, the natural sugars in coconut water are much lower compared to other beverages, making it a suitable choice for diabetics who need to monitor their carbohydrate intake. Weight management is often a challenge for individuals with diabetes, as excess weight can make it more difficult to control blood sugar levels. Coconut water is a low-calorie beverage that can help quench your thirst without adding unnecessary calories. It can be a smart replacement for sugary soft drinks or high-calorie juices, contributing to a more balanced diet and potentially aiding weight management efforts. Number 3. Homemade smoothies. When it comes to managing diabetes, making healthy choices is of utmost importance. One such choice that stands out is homemade smoothies. One of the primary advantages of homemade smoothies is the complete control over the ingredients. Unlike store-bought beverages that often contain added sugars and artificial flavors, homemade smoothies allow you to choose fresh, wholesome ingredients. Diabetics can handpick fruits, vegetables, and other low glycemic index ingredients that suit their dietary requirements. By avoiding processed sugars and artificial additives, homemade smoothies ensure a healthier and diabetes-friendly option. Homemade smoothies offer a delicious way to quench your thirst while maintaining optimal hydration. By incorporating hydrating ingredients like watermelon, cucumber, or coconut water into your smoothies, you can replenish fluids and electrolytes. Additionally, certain fruits and vegetables known for their blood pressure lowering properties such as spinach and beets can be included in your homemade smoothies, promoting cardiovascular health. When you prepare your own smoothies at home, you have control over portion sizes. This ensures that you consume an appropriate amount of carbohydrates, which is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. Homemade smoothies can be tailored to contain a balanced combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats, promoting a more even release of sugars into the bloodstream. This balance supports satiety and prevents overeating, helping to maintain a healthy weight. Number 4. Unsweetened tea. Unsweetened tea, as the name suggests, contains no added sugars. This is a significant advantage for diabetics since consuming excess sugar can cause blood glucose levels to spike rapidly. Unsweetened tea offers versatility and can be enjoyed in different forms: hot or iced, plain or infused with flavors. Unsweetened tea can cater to various preferences. Adding a squeeze of lemon or a sprig of mint can enhance the flavor without adding sugar or calories. This versatility allows diabetics to enjoy a refreshing beverage that fits their taste while keeping their blood sugar levels in check. Particularly green and black tea is rich in antioxidants known as polyphenols. These compounds offer numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and enhancing insulin sensitivity. Polyphenols found in tea have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin function, making unsweetened tea an excellent choice for diabetics. Number 5. Vegetable juices. Fiber plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting better glycemic control. While whole vegetables are a great source of dietary fiber, juicing allows for the easy consumption of a variety of vegetables in larger quantities. Vegetable juices retain a significant amount of the fiber found in whole vegetables, especially if you opt for cold-pressed or blended juices. Including fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and Brussels sprouts in your juice can help slow down the absorption of sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Many vegetables are rich in enzymes that aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. Juicing vegetables can help break down the cell walls and release these enzymes, making it easier for the body to absorb and utilize the nutrients. Proper digestion is crucial for individuals with diabetes, as it can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent complications such as gastrointestinal issues and nutrient deficiencies.